How to create a new account on Comcast email. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a new account on Comcast email. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So Comcast is now known as Xfinity. So what you can do is first simply open up your web browser and search for Comcast email create account. After you do that, you will get notified that you cannot now create a new email account ending at comcast.net. So if that's what you wanted, it's not available or it's not allowed from now. So what you can do instead of that you can still create your Xfinity ID. That is your Xfinity account. So to do that, you can simply open up the Xfinity's website. Then you can head over to let's first head over to xfinity.com. So you can head over to Xfinity, and after you head over to its website, what you can do is you can tap on get started or login, whichever you find. So here you will see Xfinity. You will see the sign in option. You can tap on it. It's on the top right corner, and then it will take you to the sign in page. Now you can tap on create new Xfinity ID. So you can tap on that, and it will take you to a place where you will need to enter your mobile number. So enter your mobile number, and here is the guideline or the steps you will need to go through to create the account. So first, after you enter your mobile number, you'll need to verify that it's you by typing in the 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile number. After that, you'll need to enter your Xfinity service address and then click on continue. After that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to enter your existing personal email, and after you do that, then you can simply you can check your junk and stuff like that. You will get logged in, and after doing all that, you can then create a strong password following the guidelines. After that, click on continue, and then you're all set. And that's basically how you can create your Xfinity ID account. And yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Also, remember that you cannot now create an Comcast email ending at comcast.net, and now it's also known as Xfinity. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.